Welcome back, it's Creative Redundancy back again, the one known as CR.
Update on these tomato plants that were transplanted into the ground.
From all these clusters of flowers on the tomato plants, and with a little help from the pollinators, like this little guy right here, and this spot too. So right here is the spot that one of the plants in the previous update that it fell down and had to resupport it. As you can see, it's actually growing tomatoes. And this one right here is getting more ripe. Now, I did have some issues with Blossom End Rot, as you can tell. But look at all this fruit that I can have, and that is still good. Take care, everyone, and as our world changes, we can adapt to. Our skill and knowledge can get better with practice. Can't help everyone out there, but one can help someone. See you, everyone.